Dear students, in chapter 5, States of Matter, today we will discuss about the deviations from ideal gas behavior. So first we will discuss about ideal gas. Which type of gases are known as a ideal gas? Ideal gas. Gases which obey gas law like Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac law are known as a ideal gases. Gases which follow kinetic theory of gases, which follow assumptions of kinetic theory of gases, are known as a ideal gases. If these gases does not follow kinetic theory of gases or gas law, or they strictly follow gas law, then they show deviation from ideal behavior and they are regarded as a real gases which are actually exist in their original form, and such type of gaseous substances are known as a real gases. To calculate nature of gases with help of a type of factor that is known as a compressibility factor, with help of value of compressibility factor, we can easily find out nature of or behavior of gases. Compressibility factor Z is equal to PV upon nRT. Compressibility factor Z is equal to, this Z is known as a compressibility factor. Compressibility factor. This Z is known as a compressibility factor. Compressibility factor. Z is known as a compressibility factor. Z is equal to PV upon nRT. If value of Z is equal to, if Z is equal to 1, then that gas show ideal behavior. If Z is equal to 1, then that have a ideal behavior. That is a ideal gas. If Z is greater than 1, then that show positive deviation, means ki that move towards real gases. Z is greater than 1, then that show positive deviation. Positive deviation. And if Z is less than 1, then that show negative deviation. Negative deviation. In this way, with help of compressibility factor Z, we can find out Z is equal to PV upon RT. We can find out nature of gas, means that gas is ideal or real. Z is equal to 1, that is ideal. Z is greater than 1, that show positive deviation. Z is less than 1, that show negative deviation. Compressibility factor Z also calculated. Z real upon V real upon V ideal. Volume of real upon volume of ideal gas ratio is also known as a compressibility factor. So with help of these two formulas, we can easily calculate about the compressibility factor. Z is equal to V real upon V ideal. V real upon V ideal. V real upon V ideal. Now, with help of a type of graph, we can easily find out nature of gases or deviations of gases from ideal behavior. 'If a type of graph is plotted and between compressibility factor Z is equal to PV upon nRT, and here pressure P, so compressibility factor 0.5, then 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.5. Zero point 0.5, 1.0. Now, if compressibility factor Z is equal to 1, then that is ideal gas. Ideal gas. If compressibility factor is greater than 1, then that is H2, helium, etc. If compressibility factor is less than 1, like N2, CH4, methane, CO2, etc., then they show negative deviation. Here pressure is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 atmospheric pressure can be taken. This was the pressure 100 atm, 200, 300, 400 and 500. So if a type of graph is plotted in between pressure and compressibility factor PV upon nRT, then for ideal gases compressibility factor Z is equal to 1. This one Z is equal to 1. Here Z is greater than 1 and here Z less than 1. Z less than 1 is so negative deviation, more than 1 so positive deviation, Z1 is equal to ideal. Dear students, please write down this graph in your copy. Now we will discuss about the difference between ideal gas and real gases. Here one small correction is required. Actually 0.5. This one is the 0. This one is 0 and this one is the 0.5 and this one is 1.0. So now we will discuss about the difference between ideal gas and the real gases. We know that gases which follow Boyle's law, Charles law are gases which follow gas law at entire condition of temperature and pressure. That is known as a ideal gas, and gases which follow gas law at high temperature and low pressure is known as a real gases. Gases which follow ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. This one is the ideal gas equation. Gases which follow ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, known as the ideal gas, and gases which follow van der Waals gas equation, P plus A upon A into N square upon V square, V minus NB is equal to nRT. That is known as a real gases. Gases which follow van der Waals gas equation. This one is the van der Waals gas equation, P plus A N square upon V square. In another bracket, V minus NB is equal to nRT. It is a van der Waals gas equation. So gases which follow this equation are known as the real gases. For ideal gases, value of compressibility factor Z is equal to 1. And for real gases, value of compressibility factor Z is greater than 1 or Z is less than 1. Z is greater than 1 or Z is less than 1. So in this way, these are main differences between ideal gas and real gases. Now we will discuss about the modification in ideal gas equation are correction in pressure and volume according to kinetic theory of gases. And if correction in pressure and volume of any ideal gas is done, then that equation is known as a van der Waals gas equation, because van der Waals, a name of scientist, performed two correction, one in volume and second one in pressure. And in this way, ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT modified into van der Waals gas equation, that is P plus A upon N square upon V square, and in another bracket V minus NB, that is nRT. So now we will discuss about van der Waals gas equation. van der Waal gas equation. Van der Waal gas equation. Van der Waal gas equation. First, we will discuss in volume correction. First, in volume correction. First in volume correction. First in volume correction. According to kinetic theory of gases, volume of each gaseous molecules is negligible as compared to total volume of any gaseous substance. In any gaseous substance, volume of each gaseous molecules is near about negligible. But according to van der Waal, it is not correct assumption, because in each gaseous molecules have a volume which cover in any gaseous container. Means ki each molecules have a some volume which occupied some space in any gaseous container. Let us consider, if any gaseous molecules have a volume that is represented with help of B, then in gaseous container, entire volume which present for random motion of gaseous molecule is V minus and B. V minus and B. Consider about any gaseous container. In this container, if gaseous molecules are filled, then if total volume is V, and if n number of moles are present in this gaseous container, and for each number of moles, B is the volume of gaseous molecules, then for n number of moles, volume is V minus and B. So this one is the correction in volume. Another correction is present in a pressure. According to kinetic theory of gases, in a gaseous container, molecules are randomly moved from one place to another place. In between two molecules, attractive force is negligible. But according to van der Waal, it is not true, because in between two gaseous molecules, attractive force cannot be zero. Hence, if any molecules is present at the wall of container, then it experience a type of attractive force. It feel a type of attractive force in opposite direction. In opposite direction means कि a type of attractive force is present opposite to this one due to presence of a gaseous molecule. In this way, net pressure which applied on this container is decreased due to downward attractive force, presence of downward attractive force. Hence, we can say that pressure is directly proportional to the attractive force. And this pressure is directly proportional to the density square, because for high density of gaseous molecules d square is required, and in this way pressure is inversely proportional to the v square. Now this pressure is equal to the A upon V square, where E is the pressure constant, and for n number of moles it is equal to the A upon V square into n square. So pressure correction is equal to A upon n square upon V square. Now P ideal is equal to P observed plus P dash, and in this way P observed plus P dash is equal to A n square upon V square. This one is the correction in pressure, and ultimately ideal gas equation modified into van der Waals equation, that is P plus A n square upon V square V minus NB is equal to nRT. Here n is number of moles. A and B are van der Waals constant. B is the volume constant and A is the pressure constant. These are two constants which are known as a van der Waals constant. So this one is the equation which used for real gases, because it is a modified form of ideal gas. That's why it is known as a van der Waals gas equation, and it is used for real gases.